You're in your 20s, and we all know everyone is telling us. Figure it out. Career, money, purpose, personal growth, all by 25? Yeah, right. But what if I told you that you don't need to have it all figured out? You just need to master a few powerful mindsets, habits, and moves. How about that? You have to believe that what will make anything you are taught manifest, else there's no point in watching this video. And your 20s could become the launchpad for a life most people only dream of. Here are some tips on how you can unlock your potential, even when you're unsure, overwhelmed, or just starting out. Let's go. Forget the resume. Here's what really gets you ahead. Let me guess, you're banking on your degree, your GPA, or your technical skills to get you ahead. You think, if I just get good enough, someone will notice. That's cute. Here's the truth. Your resume won't save you, not in the real world. Sure, you may get the fancy job you want, but that alone will not cut it. But out here, it's not just what you know, it's how you carry yourself. It's how you speak in the meeting, how you react under pressure, how you connect with people who matter. But hey, if you'd rather just keep hiding behind your qualifications, go ahead. Let someone else with less talent and but stronger communication take the spot you thought was yours. Or you could learn the skills that no one teaches in school: communication, emotional intelligence, and collaboration. And watch yourself rise so fast, people wonder how you did it. Your call. Number 2, the personal brand no one can steal. Own your identity. You are not a copycat to anyone in the world. Some people will hear this and instantly dismiss it. You may say, personal brand? Nah, I'm not an influencer. That's not my thing. Exactly. That's why you're invisible. See, personal branding isn't about filters and followers. It's about being known for something before you even walk in the room. Don't want to build one? That's fine. Just understand. Someone with half your talent who shows up online with clarity and confidence is going to land the job, the investor, or the opportunity that could have been yours. Still think it's not your thing? Here's the truth. If you're not shaping your brand, the world is doing it for you, and they're definitely getting it wrong. So get visible. Build a presence. Share your story. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, not to impress people, but to inform and inspire. Otherwise, stay in the shadows and watch someone else take your spotlight. Your mindset will make or break you. You want real success? It doesn't start with money, luck, or even talent. It starts with your mindset. The people who win in life, they don't fold when things get hard. They lean in. They don't fear failure. They use it. That's called a growth mindset, and it changes everything. They ask themselves, what can I do better? Not, who do I blame? And here's the magic. They don't just chase money. They chase meaning. Because when your passion fuels your hustle, burnout doesn't stand a chance. Part 4, stop waiting for the perfect job. Feeling stuck? Good. It means you're about to move, if you choose to. Most people wait for the perfect opportunity, but successful people create momentum through action, explore wildly, try new industries, talk to strangers. That one weird internship, side hustle, or volunteering gig, it might lead you to your calling, and never underestimate who you know. Mentors, advisors, even online connections. They can open doors you didn't even know existed. Your career doesn't start with a job offer. It starts with curiosity and courage. 5. The truth about unlocking your potential. Now here's the truth no one's posting about on Instagram. You can't unlock your potential if you're mentally exhausted and physically wrecked. Success starts with you. Protect your energy like it's your bank account. Fuel your body. Sleep like it matters. Move. Breathe. Unplug. Build habits, not hype. Tiny changes, big impact. Because discipline is your insurance against burnout. Set goals that stretch you, but celebrate the small wins. Every checkmark, every step forward matters. That's growth. That's momentum. So here's what we've uncovered. Master your mindset, build your personal brand, elevate your soft skills, take messy action, protect your well-being like your dreams depend on it, because they do. Your 20s aren't about being perfect. They're about building powerfully. You're not behind. You're not lost. You're becoming, but only if you start right now. No. If this gave you clarity, how about you hit that like button? How about that? Subscribe for more content that actually helps you build your future, not just chase it. And tell me in the comments, what's one shift you're making this week to unlock your potential? Let's grow together.